Today's tour provided the opportunity for delegates at Collision to come to Halton and see some of our important economic and post-secondary assets, as well as some of the key companies we have in our area. We saw companies like Geotab, which is a Canadian success story where telematics, big data, and AI come together. We also saw Sheridan College, which has one of the best animation schools in the world, and which also works closely with local industry to develop cutting-edge mobile health and transportation technologies. And finally, TechPlace, an initiative of Burlington Economic Development in partnership with Halton's Regional Innovation Center, Haltech, where there are resources, programming, and space to support the growth of tech companies across the region. Halton is where we have a supportive ecosystem, all coming together under the same umbrella to support business and make sure that it can be as successful as possible. This is a great opportunity for Halton to showcase the technology ecosystem that's here, an ecosystem that supports new Canadian companies as well as startup companies right here in Halton. And really, Halton region is one of the best places in Canada to do business.